Good afternoon, family. How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon. How are you? Share this with everybody real quick. My internet down or something? What the heck? What up, Michael? How you doing, man? Crypto Steve, what's up? How are you, bro? I feel like my internet's down. It's not like loading sites. What the heck? There she goes. How's everybody's day going, guys? If I was down, we wouldn't see you. If it was, well, I didn't know if you saw me. Like nothing was loading. All right, Brian. I'm not on crack or something. Jeez, Brian. Come on now. All right. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour. All right, let's just do this. We are buying hard. Did you guys see oil? Everybody's freaking out about oil, and then bam. Breaking lows. This is what you want to see. Hopefully that keeps going some. We had this break a structure right here on there, and we're currently in a sell block right here. So I don't know if it's going to keep going, but we're up in a sell block. And that doesn't mean we're selling. We're just going to buy until we can't buy anymore, it looks like. And it looks like it's going to keep buying. But yeah, I'm going to just mark this up as well. So we had to break a structure, leaving this down here. Got killed trying to short the 1 minute Pulse X cloud flip out for a sell block. Let's see. We're here and here. Yeah, if it's not going to stop, it's not going to stop. So there should be two. This one worked. That was at 5:53 in the morning, though. This one went, let's see roughly. Where's that entry, actually? This one worked, but then the other two, we'll see what we would have done there. This one ended up smashing a 1 to 20. This comes up, then you have this. Now, I always say this to people, when you have this big of a push down, you really don't want to jump in here, honestly. You need it to be more like this, where it's just kind of sideways-ish, and then finally it's like boom, you know. But it still could have worked, I guess. This one just got tagged out. If you use a 10-point stop, anyways, this went like a 1 to 4 before losing. 1 to 4 before losing. It's not horrible, but that would have been a break even for me, 100% probably. This one right here, this see, this is what I mean. You want to stay out of these. See how far away that is? And there's this much space in between here. You definitely don't want to use a 10-point stop right there. So I don't know if you tried that, but like you just gotta imagine it's gonna fill this, you know. Let's see if there's any other. That one worked last night. This one worked. This one probably got chopped out. Let's see. What up, Tony? How are you? It's playing with the 1 hour block. It's playing with it, all right. It's playing with it. All right, so we're up here. It's very, very bullish. It didn't break any structures down. Ugh, need some coffee. Let's look above and just mark that up just in case. Let's just imagine this one's taken out and it finally wants to push up, which I'd kind of be shocked at that it goes that far. It might come up here and wick something and then tank. I don't know. It's got to be diligent on that. What's up, cool? Might have to look at some other things right now. Maybe gold or something. Gold's pushing up, of course. What's up, Yolanda? How are you? Good to see you. Guys, do me a favor and hit the like button. Helps me out. Helps let YouTube know that everybody's active on here. And say what's up in the chat, if you don't mind. To give this guy a new code to join here. Summon. Look in here. Let's look at some other stuff. I mean, I don't know. Maybe there's maybe we could trade YM or something. Jeez. We're just in a spot where it has to like make a decision, make some kind of decision, you know? Let's see here. Look at this nice move right here. Dang. 5 minute. It's building up some liquidity to the downside, so maybe it'll drop. I don't know. There we go, pushing, doing something. Newer traders learning the strategy. Do you recommend trading from closer to the 1 hour block versus in between? I recommend that to everybody. Absolutely. I think everybody should only trade out of 1 hour blocks personally, for the most part. What up, Haffy? How are you? What's up, Ryan? How are you, man? Doing better and PT now. Brace off. Feeling great and blessed. Amen. That's great. See what she does right here. See if she could wick and break one of these lows. I'll take a sell then. Otherwise, I'll take a buy from it. So there's that too. Let's see. We can look to take a buy potentially from here if it closes above there. I don't like doing the buy until you can't buy anymore unless it actually breaks the high or this high up. Personally, at least we have something to maybe do here. If it comes up here, here, takes some kind of buy up, maybe targeting this high if it doesn't take it all the way. days you're going to have this slowness, but then I think we're going to get some movement. It's already moved a lot today. My gosh. Just from 10 a.m. it went, what, to 300 points. I'd order some DoorDash there. Believe it's going up. Yeah, I mean, I need to see this high taken. It's even a little higher than that. There we go. Be nice to see the high taken, then come down first, and then we could take a buy, or I'm going to take a buy. I'm going to set some alerts. So it calls my phone. Are you using this, Christine Walker? Do I like Thai? I used to like Thai. I have some allergies to like paprika and stuff now. So if they use too much, it's really lame. I hate even talking about it. Yeah, I use it so much. So I'll get called. My phone's gonna call me if it goes up here or goes down here. That's part of Jericho IQ. I just added that to this alert system. By the way, oh, my daily briefing. Let's go. What do you got? Walked away with 3,300 profit yesterday, which just looks good on the surface, but we both know the story behind the numbers. And yellow, no setup, A plus. It wasn't a no setup. I forgot to put the setup. Yeah, screaming at you, Bob. No setup strategy is powerhouse, 100% win rate, 18, 15,000. Let's see. Yeah. Trade 0 1 minute rejection setups. There we go. Cool. Oh yeah, back here, these are all the alerts that have called me so far. It's pretty cool. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go check out some forex pairs so I can get into that. By the way, this USD CAD was awesome. It made me 1 or 2% last night. If you were on the mentorship call, this is GJ. No structure break. Should go up, but I'm not going to take that one right now. EU almost bought. Darn it. Let's look on the 1 hour here. Remove. Most likely we'll buy, but They're taking highs there. This trade's working phenomenal for me. EJ's working great. We just wicked out that low. Nah, I don't like NZD. Clear enough. Nothing really awesome right now. Probably GJ's the best. Let me see what's left over here. Hey, come on. I'll jump in a GJ real quick. Let me just do that. Won't hurt. All right. That's good to go. I'm going to put an alert if it takes us high. Kind of look at like, consider taking profits now. Boom. It goes down here. What is going on? Boom. Futures. I'm going to make this less bright. Why does it keep doing that? Stop. I should get a phone call right now from Jericho for alert pipes. Let's see. There it is.
Broke 1 hour high. Notification 2026 broke 1 hour high.
Perfect. I forgot to even let everybody know I was streaming. All right, come on down. We had a nice, strong, solid close, too. Wasn't just a wick. So now we could potentially take a buy out of here. Let's see. Let me get it ready. Did we take this high yet over here? Nah, good. That means we have a target. Oh, come on, dude. Oh my gosh. Where's my other trading view at? Show my. All right, this one's at 153.554. I go a little heavy on that. This one's the eval. Seriously though, oil went up full on panic mode. Now it's like, never mind, bro. It's like, nah, we're good. Whoa. I came pretty strong. I need like a reason to enter. Like how it slowed down a little bit, but I need something to happen in here. Maybe like leave an FEG to take right here. I could reevaluate. All right, so again, I'm going to enter, me personally, I'm entering if it comes above this FEG and closes. I'll give it a shot. The other option is we just take it, but it could dump right here. It could literally just take this out because it just took this high. So you just got to be careful on these. Okay. Might just want to take a little bit of liquidity first and then shoot up. The hour is definitely going to be a wick. So, and we put this back on the 5 minute. If it closes below here on the 5, I'd be taking sells. We just kind of gotta wait this out too. If it doesn't want to push back up. We got 4 minutes on that. So I don't even know why this is calling me. Hold up. Oh,
Alert pipe notification. 2H 2026 breaking a 5-minute low to sell successfully.
guys, you could still get access to that. I'm doing a year special telling you how to do it instead of paying $97 a month. You can get access to my whole thing. You come through here, this program, for $7, and there's a $197 for the whole year special right now. It's going really well. PropTraderBeliefSystem.com, by the way. I hope so. What's up, Brad? Good morning. All right, she's tanking. This is great because this could be a big old sell if this happens. So let's just kind of reevaluate now. We're just going to assume it's selling all the way. What's the left? This 5-minute FBG if it closes. I would need some kind of pullback, guys. It'd be nice if it just at least filled this area. Then I could take a sell from like here. Get rid of this now. Really need a strong, solid close here in 1 second. There we go. Got the nice, strong, solid close. I'll enter if it pulls back into this area and starts pushing off. So let me just kind of calculate that really quick. It gives me the time. And that should be such an easy sell too. That high, I'll do 1900. So just pull back for me and I'll enter. In fact, I might even do a limit order. I might actually just do it. I'll wait. Be patient. Kind of want to see what it does there. All right, here she comes. I'm gonna wait for a little push. All right, I'll go for it. I'll go for it. Only because we have that strong, solid close. So we'll just see what happens here. Here's the actual. This is trade number one. Doesn't mean it's going to work. I mean, we've been very bullish all day. It could literally pull one of these, okay? So just a fair warning. Don't go risking the house. I'm risking heavy on a Apex eval that if I lose, it's like, okay, I don't care, you know? But I'd rather be funded. So I'm just, if I win this, I definitely am funded on this account. So to me, that's way more important. Trump flip incoming. This would be the perfect Trump flip, right? Trump say something. Well, hopefully it's done by then. I don't know. See if my food came yet. Supposedly in 4 more minutes. We do got a flip too. It's always nice. Let's see, it would have been right here though, so bigger stop. We do have this, so we have this fair value gap right here. So whether they want to leave that or not, that's totally up to them. Let me set my limit order up for my DCA. Get a 30-point buy stop. There we are. I'm set an alert here, so just in case I look away. Come on, baby. Which charts do you feel most emotional on, guys? Is it MNQ, gold, or oil? Or do you just mainly trade MNQ? Like, or maybe YM? Do you guys trade YM or ES? Like, what do you guys prefer in this chat? Yeah, we got this FVG right here playing games. NQ, yes, it's my favorite. Why don't you just dump? Like, why are you being a pain in the butt? For real. I prefer MNQ, but double or dabble in MYM. Yeah, I used to trade YM all the time. And yeah, gold is fun until it's not fun, you know? Everybody loves being a gold trader till they don't. Till they get beat up. There's my food. I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Be right back. I thought out there with that glass, and I squeezed it too hard. That really bad. And it did. Oh man, I'm live right now. Talking a little bit. Alrighty. Well, I got my coffee. I didn't get my Chipotle yet. It's okay. I just need to wake up a little bit. I worked till it was like 6 a.m. last night. Coming up into the FEG, we'll see what happens here. The only thing kind of holding this together for me is, we did clear out some of this. We broke some internal lows and stuff like that. And we swept this high and we have all this down here. So to me, this is like a B plus to A setup. It's not an A plus because it's not an actual external low close below. You see, if this was a little bit higher than here, creating an actual higher high, this low would have been more important to me. Otherwise, this one right here, if it broke below that, that would be an A plus, right? So if I lose this, I still feel pretty good about the trade because it's a B plus A setup ish, you know. It wasn't a C for sure. A C would just be going off of like it broke structure down right here, which in this case would have worked pretty good. But on the lower time frame, we're seeing some liquidity build up. Now that doesn't mean it's not going to wipe us out right here and then tank, but we're seeing your standard like liquidity build up. So we'll see. And if your heart's racing and you're not feeling good, you're probably risking too much. Ultimately. So excited. We just got approved with Klarna for our mentorship program, which is really awesome. So you could like break payments down into 12, 24 months now. I've been getting a lot more people interested, which is kind of cool. What are you doing? Come up here. I actually kind of want it to come up here so we can get out and get out a better position, but you don't want to go up still. Come on. Fill some of this. What I might do is get out at break even if it comes here, just because I don't like how it's like just so bullish today. And then wait for it to break here. So take a small L, like minus 100 if it gives the opportunity. Minus 100, minus 200, which is nothing on 150K account. And then wait for proof of momentum back to the downside, like on the 1 minute, like a 1 minute break structure. So depending on what it does right here, we'll see. I'll show you what I mean. Set this right there. This is a way to protect the capital. If you're sitting here, if you're not sitting here, you just let it roll. There's nothing you can really do about it. And we'll be heading over to I'm members only today. So if you're not a member yet of Solomon Trading VIP, you want to continue trading with us, go over to solomontrading.com and you could do a 7-day free trial. No questions asked. If you don't like it, you could leave. It's all good. There we go. We go a little farther. Wait. Oh, I like this. All right. Oh, I almost pushed out. Shoot. I was liking what that was doing right there. All right, I'm going to take, there we go, got break even. And then, so that's how I kind of protect the capital. Now we got this liquidity build up right here. And we're going below the line. And if it closes here again, I'll just get in. See that? So I'm not really missing out. I'm just looking for some kind of proof of momentum back down. So I didn't like just take the first sell off. The heck? Oh, that's pies. That's what I'm like, wait, what? Oh, that's too much. 15. There we go. You see how I might have saved that account right here? So break even, if you use properly, break evens can really, really help you. So I'm going to wait for a break of structure down, and I didn't really lose anything if that happens. I need this to close solid underneath this white line. You get good with that. See, I didn't get out to be timid and scared. I got out to protect the capital. It's a different mindset. Really, that's what you can do is you can protect your capital. That's it. So welcome, Griffin, to the one-on-one. Excited to have you, brother. Good to get some caffeine. I'm sorry, I was kind of like drained today. So this is starting to kick in, and my brain's starting to work. Oh my gosh. Oh, my payout will be uh wow, Brooke. What would your payout be? What do you think it's going to be, buddy? Still waiting, guys. Not in this trade, not in this trade. Calendar to get in states I am not. I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. For lifetime one-on-one package too. Nice. Is what? I'm sorry, I missed what the question was. Is that for lifetime one-on-one package too? Christina, hit me up about that. But yes, if you get approved, you can do it. Brooke, I hope you get that, man. Praying for you. That would be awesome. That'd be a huge blessing for you. I know you've been close many times, but I think you've gotten payouts regardless, haven't you? Set up. You know who I miss? Tana. Where the heck's Tana at? Tana was a pleasure to have around, and she got funded like $2 million. We coached her for like 3 months, and she got over $2 million in funding, and then I haven't heard from her. So maybe she's on her private yacht somewhere. Well, I'm gonna grab. Oh man, hold on a second. OBS. All right, here we go, guys. Just waiting for proof under here. We got 13 seconds left of this one. Come on, push down, push down, push down. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. So we got liquidity build up to the top. It might go up first. We're filling this 5-minute fair value gap. If we can close below this low here, I'm definitely in. Thank you, bud. Tell mom that I ate. I'm good. Okay. Thank you. It's coming though. Once a week, I get Chipotle with cheese and sour cream. All right, guys. Let me finish making the Zoom video or Zoom. All right, putting it in school. If you guys aren't a member, 7 days free right now. 7-day trial. Go to also go to proptraderbeliefsystem.com. Get that while it's $7. And I'm gonna put this in here. Members only live trading. Boom. Boom. Post. All right. So if you're new, make sure to go through all the pinned posts if you're brand new and follow the steps and all that stuff. And also on here I have the latest rules and with the live trading and I put a 30-minute video in here on how I trade. And also hit up me or Ronnie. You'll see it in the steps to get PulseX Premium. And then we go here to members only live trading, and here's a link you could join the Zoom. Okay, so if you're not a member yet, by the way, we're about to enter. Okay, if you're not a member yet, go to solomontrading.com and you can join right now for free. You go over here, solomontrading.com. You just go through this, try free for 7 days, start here, boom, boom. And that is it. All right, guys, I'm going to head over to the members only. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Hey, man, thank you so much, Griffin. Appreciate you, bro. Hey, Eric Funston, oh my gosh, I miss you, bro. What do most people choose at Top Step, option 1 or 2? That's an Aiden question for sure. Just tag Aiden, Eric, in that. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start up the members only call. I will see you guys there in a minute. And you guys who's not a member yet, you can join right here. All right, guys, God bless. Take care. Back it out. Peace.